Good day guys, day 9 as an intern ng Organic Agriculture Program ng Region 8. Nandito kami ng buddy ko, si Jimboy Montesillo. Kukuha kami ng mga bamboo pang design sa landscape. Magla-landscape kami ng payag namin. Let's go!
And I say that I'm through, but this song's still for you. All I want is love that lasts. Is all I want, too much to ask. Is it something wrong with me?
Yo, haven't got the sauce, bitch.
All I want is a good guy. My expectations far too high. Try my best, but what can I say?
Save my soul.